Bro, from tomorrow, I'll fix my life. I'll wake up early. I'll grind. And then what? You snoozed, you scrolled, you wasted. You didn't flop because you're dumb. You flopped because you're soft. This is peak human behavior. Wake up, and the first thing you do is open Insta, TikTok, or Snap. Like, bro, you literally start your day letting strangers fry your brain. Then you wonder why you feel dead inside, why you can't focus. You don't need to be the 5 a.m. cold shower Sigma grindset guy. You just need to stop being addicted to dopamine hits like a lab rat. That's why you're stuck. That's why life feels mid. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Motivation is vibes. Discipline is cheat code. 1 focused hour in the morning equals 3 hours at night. But instead of using your brain's prime time, you waste it on reels about cats vibing to moye moye. Comfort is literally farming XP off you, and you don't even realize it. Here's the actual fix. 1. Wake up between 6 and 7. No, not 11 a.m. like a Discord mod. 2. No phone. Straight water, stretch, 5 push-ups. Reset your system. 3. Breakfast that fuels you, not sugar that crashes you. 4. Attack your hardest subject first. Don't be that guy doing easy tasks just to feel busy. 1 focused hour like this daily equals separation from 90% of your batch. Listen, if you can't even control your morning, how will you control your future? Keep choosing comfort, and you'll carry this same loser routine into your 20s, 30s, till you're just another what-if story. So tell me, are you still going to snooze like an NPC, or finally wake the hell up and play main character?